In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a post on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then tap at that plus sign, and that will open up photos and videos from your camera roll. First off, at the bottom you can select whether you want to create a post or a story or a reel, or you want to go live. I'm just gonna keep post selected. After that, I can select any picture or any video from my camera roll to be able to add it to my post in that simple way. Also, if you want, you can attach multiple pictures or videos to your post. To do that, just hit at that symbol, and then you will be able to check mark up to 10 photos or videos to add them to your post. To continue, hit on next. On that step, you can add some filters to your posts. You can do it simultaneously for all the photos just by selecting filters from that toolbar, and they will apply to all your images and videos. Or you can open up each specific photo or video and then apply some filters for each photo individually in that simple way. If it's video or live photo, you can also hit at that sign to mute it. And one more thing, you can also change the order of your photos, and in that way you can just hold down on photo or video and then move it to trash to remove it from your post. After that, hit on next. Then you can add a caption for your post, in which you can add the hashtag simply by selecting that hashtag symbol, and then just type in some hashtag to add it to your caption. Also, in caption you can mention someone, just hit at add symbol, and then you can start typing someone's username. That will prompt you different users, and then you can select any of them to mention them in your caption. Once you are done with the caption, hit at OK. Then you can tag some people on your post. Just hit at tag people, then hit at plus sign, and in the same way search for some specific user by their username, and in that way you can tag multiple persons on your post. Once you're finished with that, hit at done. Then you can add a location. You can tap right here, and that will prompt you some nearby or recently used locations. If you want to search for some specific location, you can use search. Let's say I want to search for New York, and that's how you can add a location to your post. If you have connected your Instagram profile with the Facebook, Twitter or Tumblr, you can also share the same post to that platforms just by turning these features on. And when your post is done, just hit add share to share it with your followers. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.